just checking out the DFES site, and Kalgoorlie at the moment is experiencing a severe storm warning, so extending from Merredin all the way up to Kundalee, probably further. Anyway, I took a video of the skies outside of Perth at the moment, and as you can see from where I live, which is further north here, not many fires around, but quite smoky looking. Doesn't smell like smoke, foggy, pollution-y, but you know, you be the judge when I show the picture, whether it's spraying in the air, whether it's, you know, geoengineering, weather control, who knows. But anyway, so that's what's going on now.